In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Shopify stores on Google. If you're interested in discovering various Shopify stores, perhaps to study their setup or for competitive research, this guide is perfect for you. We're going to use some simple search tags. Follow along, and you'll see how easy it can be to filter your Google search results effectively. To begin, you'll want to think about the type of Shopify stores you are seeking. This could be any niche or product category that interests you. Once you have a keyword in mind, you'll need to head over to Google. In the search bar, start by typing this keyword. Make sure you surround your keyword with double quotation marks. This step ensures that Google looks for the exact phrase you've entered, filtering out unrelated content and making your search results much more precise. After you've entered the keyword in quotation marks, add a space followed by a plus symbol. This symbol is important as it signals to Google that you wish to include more specific criteria in your search. Now, type the word site, followed by a colon. Be sure to include the colon, as it's critical for the next part of the search tag. Next, you'll want to add the official Shopify URL, which is myshopify.com. Your search query should now look something like this. Your keyword, plus Fayette, myshopify.com. Once you have this all set up in the search bar, go ahead and press enter. And that's it. By hitting enter, you initiate a search on Google that filters results according to the keyword you entered, while specifically targeting sites hosted under Shopify. This approach helps you discover Shopify stores related to your chosen keyword, without having to sift through pages of unrelated web results. Whether you're gathering information for personal use, market research, or entrepreneurial inspiration, mastering this search technique can streamline your process significantly. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try experimenting with a few different keywords to get a better sense of how you can refine your results. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful tips and tricks. Happy searching!